In this video, we're going to be talking about the quad cane. When trying to figure out which side your cane is going to go on of your body, you're going to want it on your strong side. So in this case, my left leg would be my injured leg, and my right leg would be my strong leg. So we would want the cane on the strong side, which is my right. If, for instance, your right leg was affected and you needed to change the side of the cane, you would want to find this dial on the back, untwist it, and then pop your golden button in that we use to adjust the height, and we're going to spin the legs just halfway around. And be sure to secure that dial. Then you'll put the cane flush to your left side. As you can see, there are 4 feet. 2 kind of jut out more than the other 2. These 2 are in a nice straight line, and that'll go on your foot side. We're going to talk about adjusting the height of your quad cane. To tell them which height you need, you're going to want to go by the crease of your wrist. Make sure you're standing completely upright, and we'll hang our arm down by the side with your quad cane right next to you. As you can see, this cane is a bit too tall for me. So we're going to turn it around, find this little golden button, and start adjusting. We can push the cane down to make it smaller, or pull the cane up to make it taller. This may take a few tries to get it right, so take your time. Again, standing upright, find your wrist crease, and rest your hand comfortably on the top. When you step, you're going to want to step with the cane first, the affected leg, and then pull the unaffected in with you. As you get more comfortable, you can start swinging the device and the affected leg together.